how to close your Target account step by step. So in here, the very first thing that you want to do is simply get into your target.com. Then from here, make sure that you're logged into your account. After doing that, simply tap on the profile icon on the top right corner. And then from here, if you scroll down a bit, you will actually be able to find the option of Help Center, right? So what you're going to do is simply tap on Help Center. And then from here, what we're going to do is now simply scroll down a bit. You will be able to see the option of Manage My Account, right? Simply tap on that one. And then from there, you will actually be able to get into other page where if you scroll down a bit, you'll actually be able to see the option of settings. So simply tap on settings, and after opening your settings here, you will actually be able to find the option of request for account deletion. If you scroll down a bit, simply tap on that one, and then you will be able to get along with the process of how you can actually delete your Target account. And if you cannot find this option, then what you can actually do is start chatting with them. So in here, if we go back here, we actually can have a live chat with Target. Simply go back here. You can see under the help option, we have start chat. Simply tap on that one, and then we can actually chat with the AI bot of Target, where you can actually ask how you will be able to close your account, and it will give you a step-by-step process on how you'll be able to do it. So obviously you're going to now request a representative to close your online profile and clear saved payment method, and just like that you will be able to close your Target account. So if you guys do have any further queries, please let me know in the comment section down below.